Hey all, here's a look at how to use this Bosch integrated oven. Have a look at the functions. Now, we've got our temperature gauge here, and that's key. This icon, thermometer, means it's not the temperature when you see it on the display, as we'll have a look at in a moment. Now over here, these ones were a little bit baffling. Let me just double check them. Right, so it's this is off. This one is 3D hot air, which is baking and roasting. And it's just a fan oven. So if you're cooking fan oven temperatures, this one down here, the bottom right, is actually a gentle hot air for gently cooking selected foods on one level without preheating. I'm not really sure when you'd want that, but okay, whatever. Now this one, standard grill icon over here, and it says the grill large area. Now, and then the last one, nope, not the last one, but the last cooking setting, this one, is what the manual calls circulated air grilling, this one over here. And that's when you want to, grill something like it says a larger piece of meat or fish, so like a whole fish or a joint where you want to grill it. So you'd use that one rather than your standard grill, because then that circulates the air more. And then this one is simply to turn the light on in the oven, okay, if you want to leave it in, whatever. Right, and that's back to 0. So again, over here, the only thing to note really about the temperature, well, one, that it's a fan oven, so you adjust accordingly, but two, you've also got these marks, which the 1, 2, and 3 actually, I believe, code to the match the grill, because you can see the grill icon here, right? Because you can see the grill icon here, and that's 3 grill, 2, and 1. Okay, so I mean they broadly correspond with temperatures anyway, but just so you know. All right, next up, let's turn it on. Okay, so as per the manual, this goes, if I tap this now, timer, duration, so how long you want to cook for, and again that goes off really quickly. So we've got a duration, and this one I've got an end time. Now the end time isn't showing, I suppose, again, because I've already got the settings going maybe. So let's just go to duration, which is that icon. And again, you can see, I can do that. Let's see what we can go to on this. Oh, really confusing then. That goes into the hours and minutes without actually really telling you. So it goes from minutes to hours. Oh, just be careful. Very confusing. And if I press minus, you'll see it jump back down to the minutes. Ooh, really poor bit of design that. But anyway. Okay. Hopefully that's been reset. And there you go. So that would then, again, this icon would cook for 30 minutes and turn off. Now, if I go there, once I've got that timer going, then I can get to the end time. It's just very confusing, I've got to be honest. And just to know, if you really, want to reset one of these quite quickly, the fastest way to do it, at least this one, let's say set the cooking duration. If you just can't be bothered, you can just turn this dial to turn the power off, and you see how that resets. And I can't do it because it's off then. Let me turn it back on. So duration. Now I've got to set a duration, so let's say 42 minutes. Then I can set the end time. So it works back from there. So you could start your oven. Let's say I had, okay, I give a really awkward number. You see it turned off. 42 minutes. So it will start 42 minutes before that. And then the duration time will kick in. As you can see, I found this very finicky to get right. But if I left that now, it would come on at the given time on the settings I've left. Now again, if I wanted to overrule that, probably the easiest way is just to turn that off and you see the display is clear. And then if I turn it back on, it's just going back into on mode as it was before with that thermometer showing. And you get an idea. And remember, if you wanted to use just the light setting, that's good for cleaning it. But yeah, quite a confusing bit of design, I must confess. Let's just have one more go. So let's just go through again. Timer, plus minus, whatever, fine. Duration, so 30 minutes, and end time. Now obviously if it's less than the time you set, the end time will turn it off and it'll come on later. If the duration and the end time don't quite match in terms of your maths, then it'll just start straight away, I think. And if I wanted to turn that off, easiest way, just literally turn the dial to the top and remember to turn that one as well. There you go. I hope you found it useful. Goodness me, I found it frustrating. And check out this video for more, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.